Hi, welcome back. It's February 28, 2020, and today I'm going to continue yesterday's address of the market sell-off related to the coronavirus. Now, before I show you a chart related to the stock market and identify some of the things I'm watching right now, I want to put this into bigger picture perspective for you. In a global economy of over 7 billion people, so far what we know is that 82,000 people plus have contracted this virus. And of those people, about 2,800 have died. Unfortunately, that represents about 3.5%. But the bright side is at least 96% of the people who have gotten the virus so far are still alive. Now, what we know also is that there is a global concerted effort to develop a vaccine as soon as possible, and I'm told it might be as soon as just a few weeks away before that's completed. Now, the other thing that's important to know is that in times like this, where the market is so volatile, it's natural for investors to panic and want to sell investments to protect their portfolio balances. The problem with that desire, guys, is that the market inevitably rebounds so quickly after violent sell-offs like this that we miss that opportunity to reinvest, and unfortunately, we're just shooting ourselves in the foot. In fact, I got a call from a few clients over the last 24 hours who said to me, Brad, I've got some cash I want to send into my account so we can take advantage of this market sell-off and participate in the rebound, which is the right way to think about it. The other bright spot in the current environment is because of the fear right now about the economy weakening because of the coronavirus, interest rates have plummeted. And now is probably the best time that we've seen ever in history to refinance your mortgage if you have one on your house. Please reach out to a mortgage broker today, or if you need a referral, contact us and we'll put you in touch with some great people. At this point, I want to go and take a look at the market and show you some things I'm looking at right now. All right, so here's a few things I'm looking at right now in the stock market. This is a chart of the S&P 500, and what I want to point out is that, as I mentioned yesterday, we're seeing signs that the market has become excessively pessimistic. This indicator down at the bottom is what we call the relative strength index, and it tracks the magnitude of the market's moves over a fixed period of time. And what you need to know is the market cannot sustain a movement in one direction or the other for too long before reaching a point that we call being overbought, where this indicator turns red here after reaching too high of a level, reflecting excessive optimism, or getting to a level that's too low down here that we call an oversold condition like we're seeing right now. In fact, I haven't seen the market be this oversold for a long time. And in fact, historically speaking, this represents a good turning point in the market after the market's been oversold. We usually see a rebound from there, like we did the last time this happened last August, where the market rebounded from there, and also previously to that at the end of May before this rebound ensued there. The other thing I want to point out is that yesterday I was mentioning that the market was hopefully going to bounce off the level of about 3,050 for the S&P 500 and go higher from there. And why I thought that was important was this orange line right here where the market's 200-day moving average stood as of yesterday. This tells us how the market's been behaving over a longer period of time, smoothing out the daily movements and looking at the average. And this is important to traders because signposts such as this usually represent points of entry where trades could be placed, or also where sales could take place. And yesterday, unfortunately, the market did not stop there and move lower, all the way down to where we are now, again, down very low today. So the next low level that I'm looking at as a possible rebound level is this October low of 2,855, where we hit with this swing here. In fact, that was about the lowest level of the market today. So we may, in fact, see this hold, and hopefully we get a rebound from here. Hey, thanks again for watching. We want you to know that we here at Legacy Wealth Partners are here for you, especially in trying times like this, to address any concerns or questions that might be on your mind. In fact, today, stop by and see me. I'll be at Peddler's Fork Restaurant this afternoon in Calabasas between 4 and 6 o'clock. Come by during happy hour, have a drink on us, and let's chat.